Hello, dear colleague. In this lesson, we will learn the th sound. Th, bath, cloth, Catholic. 3, thin, mathematics. Pathway, wrath, catheter. Mouth, thing, cathode. Sound comparison. Tin, thin. Tank, thank. Team, theme. Tree, 3. Thin, sin. Thick, sick. Thought, sort. Fourth, force. Fifth, 10th. 6 things. Keeps thinking. 12th. Month. 6 theatres. Keeps themes. 6th. 9th. Stops thinking. Keep thinking. Keep thinking. Enough things. Enough thanks. 1 thing. 1 theatre. They keep thanking me for their gift. He had 6 things to remember. Breathe therapy. Queen Elisabeth II. Smooth the way. Health themes. Beneath the bridge. With the spoon. With the friends. 3, free. First. First. Thread. Fred. Thrill. Frill. Hearth. Hearth. Ruth. Roof. Death. Deaf. Thaw. Thaw. Common confusions and mistakes. Did you say thin? Did you say fin? 2. They had problems with the Thaw. They had problems with the Thaw. 3. We thought about that for a long time. We thought about that for a long time. 4. There are 3 gifts for you. There are 3 gifts for you. Dialects. Everything went wrong on Thursday. What happened? I woke up with toothache. I rang the dentist 3 times, but there was no reply. The 4th time, I got through. He gave me an appointment at 3:30. I thought it would be soothing to have a bath. I hit my mouth on the tap and broke 3 teeth. Did that cure your toothache? No, I had 3 broken teeth and toothache. Most theatres and cinemas are in the West End. A few important theatres and concert halls are in the other part of London. The National Theatre and the Festival Hall are on the South Park, almost opposite the Houses of Parliament. In the city, the financial centre of London, there is the Barbican Centre. This includes a Fune Concert Hall and the Royal Shakespeare Company's Theatre. The 7th, the 9th, the 10th, the 8th, the hundreds, in the 40s, in the morning, in the evening, in the end, filthy, healthy, wealthy, stealthy, although, on the whole, on the contrary, on the surface, on the left, as the others, as the following, as thou worried, as that fellow, as the workman, at the top, at the bottom, at the front, at the back. Tell the truth. Close the door. Read the rule. Fill the gaps. Write the word. Open the brackets. Shut the window. Quite the opposite. Dialects. Date of birth. The 3rd of March 1933. The 3rd of March 1933. I think. You think what? I think it was the 3rd, but perhaps it was the 4th. You think it was either the 3rd or the 4th? No, I don't think it was either the 3rd or the 4th. I know it was either the 3rd or the 4th, and I think it was the 3rd. Well, anyway, I think you ought to know. Yes? The positions have been taken. We'll fill the vacancies already. What, both? Both. More dialects. It's got 50 pearls in it. It's worth a lot. It's worth the earth. I don't think it's worth the earth. You can have it for 1,500 as my friend. I thought 1,000 would be enough. 1,000? 1,300. 1,350. You're an old thief, Felix. All right, 1,350. Let's bargain. I want 3,000 a month. You can offer 2,500. 2,750. 2,500. 2,650. 2,550. After a few months, perhaps. I'll think about it. Think now. I've thought. When do I start? On the 5th. Tongue twisters. Something old, something new. Something borrowed, something blue. And a penny in her shoe. Something old, something new. Something borrowed, something blue. And a penny in her shoe. Well done. They think that this Thursday is the 30th. 30,000 thirsty snakes thirstily drank 3,000 lakes. Whether the weather is cold or whether the weather is hot, we'll be together whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. A bit faster. Whether the weather is cold or whether the weather is hot, we'll be together whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. And a serious tongue twister. Theophilus Thaddeus Thistledown, the successful thistle sifter, while sifting a sea full of unsifted thistles, thrust 3,000 thistles through the thick of his thumb. Now, if Theophilus Thaddeus Thistledown, the successful thistle sifter, thrust 3,000 thistles through the thick of his thumb, see that thou, while sifting a sea full of unsifted thistles, thrust not 3,000 thistles through the thick of his thumb. She is a thistle sifter. She has a sieve of unsifted thistles and a sieve of sifted thistles, and a sieve of unsifted thistles. She sifts into the sieve of sifted thistles because she is a thistle sifter. Very well. King Thistle stuck 1,000 thistles in the thick of his thumb. 1,000 thistles King Thistle stuck in the thistle of his thumb. A King Thistle stuck 1,000 thistles in the thick of his thumb. How many thistles did King Thistle stick in the thistle of his thumb? Well done! Thank you for completing those exercises with me. We'll meet you in the next lesson. Cheerio!